Tesla's journey is proof of audacious choices, inspiring leadership, and amazing technological advancements. We're looking at a movement, a revolution, and an intriguing look into the future today. We're not just talking about stealth automobiles and thundering engines. Additionally, we'll talk about and forecast the effects of Tesla's strategic pushes into new industries, advanced AI developments, and vertical integration. In what ways are these elements positioned to boost Tesla's stock price and market presence? Actually, the world is changing, even more in line with our expectations, I believe. Well, since we anticipated that many conventional automakers would recognize the signs and move swiftly to scale up their production of electric vehicles. And what's been going on lately? Ford and GM have both said that they are taking a step back. We won't do this until it's profitable, I guess. That's problematic because, in order. Kathy Wood discusses how Elon Musk's Tesla has fundamentally altered the American auto sector. The conventional auto industry, which was dominated by gasoline-powered automobiles, was upended by Tesla's introduction of electric vehicles and cutting-edge technologies. Established automakers were sluggish to adjust to the significant advancements made by Tesla in the electric vehicle market. They took longer to begin making electric car development and production a real priority, which gave Tesla a significant advantage and a dominant position in the nascent EV market. This conversation focuses on a typical example of market disruption, where a new competitor uses cutting-edge technology, in this case, electric vehicles, to challenge the existing quo. In addition to offering buyers a new kind of car, Tesla's strategy forced the whole auto industry to move toward a more environmentally friendly electric future. Traditional automakers' sluggish response to this change is a common response in sectors confronted with disruptive technologies, frequently as a result of established businesses' investments in antiquated methods. The success of Tesla is a shining illustration of how innovation, when done well, can revolutionize the sector and hasten the worldwide transition to sustainable practices and new technology. I believe they have done a fantastic job of resisting short-term focused stockholders. One of the criteria we use to evaluate businesses is if the management is visionary and if they will resist short-term shareholders who demand their earnings, dividends, and share repurchases right now. The need of giving long-term investment objectives precedence over the short-term expectations for financial returns that shareholders frequently seek is also discussed during the conversation. The team at Tesla is especially commended in this area for their commitment to this long-term goal. To put it simply, Tesla is more focused on attaining long-term advancement and ongoing innovation than it is on making rapid profits or reaching remarkable quarterly financial results. In today's fast-paced business environment, which usually prioritizes short-term results, Tesla's attitude to giving long-term objectives priority is refreshing. In addition to being admirable, their unwavering emphasis on the long term, refusing to give in to the temptation of immediate financial gain, is a crucial component of their winning formula. This strategy makes large investments possible in fields like research and development, which results in groundbreaking innovation. This is particularly important in the rapidly changing electric vehicle (EV) sector. Other companies in fast-paced industries can learn a lot from Tesla's approach. Long-term success frequently necessitates a dedication to long-term objectives and the perseverance to see them through. This commitment also shows how strong and visionary Tesla's leadership is, highlighting how crucial it is to match business goals with an eye toward the future. Our approach like this might very well determine the course of success in companies that rely heavily on technology. Let me ask the question in a different way. Has it done anything? Do you think that being private gives you more freedom at SpaceX? Has going public benefited you or Tesla in any way? It did enable us to have a single class of common stock and simplify our capital structure, which was excessively complicated for a private company. The financing structure of the private corporation was becoming incredibly complicated. Naturally, there was the public market's capital availability, which is a Elon Musk now explores the complex issues surrounding Tesla's status as a publicly traded corporation. While pointing out some obvious benefits, he also admits the complications that come with this status. One of the most important of these is the simplicity of obtaining funding, which is essential for a business that is continuously developing and growing. Musk also discusses how Tesla's public image and perception impact the company, which is a component that is just as significant in today's market as financial factors. An important facet of contemporary business dynamics is clarified by Elon Musk's observations here. Going public has its drawbacks, such as the need to satisfy shareholder expectations and deal with the scrutiny that comes with being so visible. But for a trailblazing business like Tesla, the advantages can be transformative. One major benefit is the opportunity to access public capital markets. It supports their large-scale initiatives and encourages more advancements in the field of electric vehicles. This conversation also serves as a reminder of how influential public opinion can be in determining a company's future. Public perception of a business can affect its branding, market success, and even its capacity to draw in top talent. Musk's open assessment of these two facets of becoming a public company offers any business thinking about taking this big step a useful viewpoint. The main topics of discussion in this section of the interview include Tesla's ambitions for international growth and its leading position in the electric vehicle market. In addition to being the industry leader in EV sales and innovation, the company is actively seeking to expand globally. Maintaining its competitive edge through ongoing innovation and staying ahead of industry trends is one aspect of this expansion plan. Tesla's place in the EV market is a prime example of how vision, creativity, and a dedication to sustainability can help a business become the leader in its field. Their global expansion signifies a change in our perspective on energy, transportation, and environmental responsibility, not merely an increase in automobile sales. It's amazing that Tesla is continuing to hold its advantage while expanding into new markets. It demonstrates the flexibility to adjust to shifting consumer demands and market conditions, which is essential for any business hoping to succeed over the long haul on a worldwide basis. Businesses looking to lead their industries and have a beneficial influence on global trends and practices can find inspiration in Tesla's approach. Bring me back to the beginning of 2019. Oh, you remember when Tesla was in production hell with the Model 3? We were at Fremont with you doing a podcast at that time. At the time, I believe you were dozing off beneath your desk, and you spent a great deal of time explaining this scenario and what was going to happen to us. The rest is history. So, just going on. Elon Musk and Cathie Wood talked about Tesla's cutting-edge AI capabilities, particularly with regard to fully autonomous driving. They emphasize how Tesla uses data from the actual world to continuously enhance and perfect this technology. Tesla is positioned as a pioneer in cutting-edge technical development, in addition to being a car manufacturer, thanks to its emphasis on artificial intelligence and heavy data utilization. One notable example of how contemporary businesses are blurring conventional sector boundaries is Tesla's focus on artificial intelligence, AI, and its use in fully autonomous technologies. Tesla is constantly improving the dependability, efficiency, and safety of its cars by utilizing real-world data. This strategy demonstrates how AI has the ability to change not just the automotive sector, but also our future transportation vision. Leading the way toward a future where cars are smarter, safer, and more sensitive to the demands of their users, Tesla's advancements in this field go beyond simply adding a feature to an automobile. Tesla remains at the forefront of the electronics and automotive industries because to this kind of innovation. Yes, indeed. Well, that's not our purpose at ARK. We're all focused on the future and attempting to predict how the world will function. Additionally, I would like to give you a chance to discuss what you believe the mainstream media does not comprehend at this time. Since this is such a major story, there are numerous high-profile instances that promise various forms of optimism and, yes, true change in the future. And you're at the forefront. What do you believe they don't get? That's a really extensive list of stuff they don't comprehend or where they just don't want to concentrate on, in my opinion.